Welcome back to Code Genius. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill the form and the application form for an Amazon job step by step. Okay, so this is a non-technical role called Transportation Specialist 1, which is available in Karnataka and as well as Hyderabad. So it is open for every fresher from the 2024 and 2025 batches. Okay, I will explain the job details, eligibility, and exactly how to fill the form correctly so you don't make any mistakes. Okay. Okay. So this job role is called transportation specialist one. It is a fixed term contract role. Okay, and the job locations are Bangalore and Hyderabad. Bangalore and Hyderabad. This is a non-technical job, so you don't need any coding skills. But one important requirement is strong English communication skills, both speaking and writing. And if you are a fresher and you don't have any offer in hand yet, this is a definitely a worth applying for. Okay, let's quickly look at who can apply and what are the basic qualifications. So bachelor degrees in quantitative technical fields such as computer science, engineering, and statistics, and someone with experience with Excel. Okay, preferred qualifications with someone who have experience with SQL as well. So if you are from computer science and engineering branches, of course, we know SQL and many more skills, and this is perfect for them to apply, and there are high chances to get selected in this job. Okay, so I have another tab here. This is a registration form which some members get from their campus as well or by email. They will get an application link which you have to fill the form. Okay, so this is the how the registration form looks like. When you scroll down, let us check this box. After completing the security verification, then click on next. Here we will be asked basic details like a name, where we are located. Okay, this is already selected. We cannot change this. Okay. In here, we can also see the roles and responsibilities, communication with the customers and internal customers like Amazon sites previously, maintaining high standards of quality, productivity standards in all transactions, conversations, and must be understand the size of problems systematically. Like basically, they are asking for better problem solving skills from the applicants. Okay, so core responsibility includes working with Amazon internal tools like MS Outlook, Word, and Excel, and those are the basic things which an applicant must know if you are applying for any Amazon job, not only this Amazon job, for any Amazon job. They will be asking these three. Okay, remember that you must be able to quickly understand the business impact of the trends. And so this is basically they are only asking how outgoing you are and how good at remembering things and how you are able to deal with the large problems, okay, big problems in the customer in the organization. So working within the various time constraints and meet critical business needs, mainly problem solving skills they are seeking for right now. Okay, the organization support runs across rotational shift 24/7 and 365. Okay. And candidates are expected to be flexible with such requirements while there are reasonable accommodations for employees with special circumstances. So basic qualification, any graduate, 18 plus years, graduate or postgraduate, 0 to 5 experience in customer support role or operation roles. Freshers with no experience must have stronger communication skills through various means like verbal, written, or communication, any other communication methods. Okay, this is a golden chance for freshers who don't have any offer yet or even after graduating from the college. This is the best opportunity which Amazon has provided within the last 6 months. Okay, there are high chances of freshers getting eligible for this and getting shortlisted for this job role. Okay, workplace accommodations, access to technology and adaptive equipment, flexible work arrangements may be available, and support from both visible and invisible disabilities. Okay, workplace facilities and inclusive hiring onboarding process. Okay, okay. This is that's it. There's nothing more here. So location, as you can see here, location in Bangalore and Hyderabad, hours on shift of rotational shift. Sometimes they ask for rotational shift 24/7 and schedule accommodation will be based on individual needs. Okay. What this is mandatory work from office role, okay? Mandatory work from office. So as you can see here, registration form. Let's get into its source, which is how you heard about this job. Is it from social media or is it from a referral or any agency or from your campus placements? Or if you are others, select others and just type in whatever you want, okay? And personal details, your full name, email ID, your mobile number, alternate mobile number, date of birth, gender, female or male. Okay, so here we have to select in education profile what if your graduation, completed graduation or complete post graduation, or even if you're pursuing, you also have an option here like for third or fourth year students, BTech or any other branch, and year of passing. This 2025 is the last, so 2026 are ineligible for this. And education time, engineering, commerce, or arts, or science, or others. If it is others, select here. Okay, so for others, they're not asking anything. So just look at it. Citizenship, Indian, Bhutan, or whatever it is. Okay. Disability, voluntary disability, no. Address, full address, current city, current state, PIN code, experience details. Total experience in months. If you have zero, then zero. Then if you have 6 months of experience, or if you have done any internship, just put in the number like 654 or anything. Are you currently working on notice period? So you can tell how much time you're gonna take to join the campaign, like 0 to 15 days is better. Okay. Current employer, last employee. If it is nothing, then you can just put on an A or something like that, and it will definitely take that input. Okay. So current monthly salary or lost last with the drawn monthly salary in INR. If you have earned anything, then 10,000 or 1 lakh or 2 lakhs or 10 something like that. And other details, if you have any active backlogs or current backlogs, or are you willing to work overtime as well? Please select yes for this. Also yes for this. Are you willing to work in rotational shifts? Yes. So are you willing to relocate to the mentioned in the respective job description? Yes. Okay. See, as you can see here, there is a note that by answering yes to the above question, you confirm that you will relocate to the home location for VCC roles as mentioned in the job description. So it is mandatory to be present in the home location in order to onboard for your VCC roles. Amazon will have the right to revoke your offer in case of failure to be present at the hometown or location for this kind of roles. So guys, it is a strict warning from them that the per application applicant who have applied to a job for some location have to be in that location or have to relocate to that location as soon as possible if he or she gets the job role for sure offer letter. Okay, that's it. And after that email, are you willing to be a job that require interacting with customers and telephone? Yes. Knowledge in MS Excel? Yes. You have to input your PAN card. This is for your successful registration at Amazon. Okay. Aadhaar card? Yes. And have you ever been employed at Amazon? No. Are you currently working with Amazon? No. If you are working with them, yes. I think if you are already working with Amazon, then you must have another process or another say, okay, documents. Just input your resume and photo. This is a live camera. Okay, you will have to take a live photo and upload it right now. Okay, then coming to declaration consent, click yes and submit. If after submitting, you will get all the details. You will get okay, so I haven't uploaded anything. I'm not getting it. So that there is nothing at all. After this, after clicking on submit, you will get all the details to review all the fields and what you have given in as input. Okay, just and there will be a verification code which will come to your email again. to complete the registration process at the last. Okay, so that will be the final. So that confirmation or verification email which comes to your Gmail will act as a proof that your registration is done correctly. Okay, so I will leave the application link in the description below of this video. And if this video helped you understand the process, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Code Genius, guys, for more such amazing job updates and career